Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT2 Sport, and I'm gonna show you how to install more watch faces on this device. First we need to open the HUAWEI Health app on our phone. To do it, let's just tap this icon right here. In the app, let's tap on Devices, then select our watch from the list. Here, tap on More. As you can see, here we have a list of watch faces, and we can tap, for example, on the Install button below one to install it. Let's tap on it. As you can see, after installing it, it automatically changed on our watch. We can also tap on one, for example, this one, to open this menu. And here we can check some information about it and then tap Install button on the bottom to install it. Like that. We can also go back and tap on Mine right here to check which watch faces we have installed. Also we can tap on one and remove it by tapping this trash bin icon right here, and confirming by tapping Confirm. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.